Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make some potato salad and stew some chicken guys. Watch your badness guys, be a badness in the kitchen today. Soon come back guys. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna peel up my Irish now to make my potato salad. You understand what I did? See my Irish guys, so I'm gonna peel up a couple of them, put them for boil, and I'm gonna swap on the kitchen. Guys, just watch the video and swap on in the kitchen guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so what am I gonna do here now? I'm gonna peel up some Irish, I'm gonna swab on in the kitchen guys. The over, so start peel up my Irish them. Guys, some bad potato salad. Guys, watch how I deal with the potato salad here. I first ask that one. Guys, some bad potato salad and brown stew chicken guys. Guys, I peel them first, then we cut them up. Yeah guys, so now the last Irish left to peel. Guys, be a badness, guys, be a badness. Yeah guys, so now I cut up my Irish them, I'm gonna sew one guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so in my potato salad guys, I'm gonna put a carrot. You understand what I did here guys, so watch your badness one go on in the kitchen. Guys, so I go on in the kitchen, some bad potato salad guys. Stew chicken.
If I'm dreaming, all I ever heard was feeling.
Guys, watch your badness, guys. Yeah, guys, so I light up the stove here now. I understand how I did. So see me Irish and me carrot, guys. Yeah. And you don't know. I go boil 2 egg, guys. Me have 2 egg. See me 2 egg. Yeah, I go boil me 2 egg. Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen, guys. Just watch your badness. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, I go throw a chicken season and a Maggie from a piece of chicken. Now seasoning tonight, pot, guys. Don't know the badness come down already. Don't know, guys. I don't want too much of browning for my chicken. I don't want my chicken to be black. The overs. That good. Guys, now some hard purpose. Guys, I'm Irish, I'm a carrot up on fire. Over. Yeah, guys, so you don't know the badness, so I go on there, yeah. We can go and marinate little, guys. You don't know the badness already. Yeah, guys, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make it 2 egg. Go and boil. The cake go and boil in Irish pot. Yeah, make the egg go and boil with the Irish and the carrot. Guys, watch your badness in our kitchen. Some bad potato salad, stew chicken. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so watch what go on in our pot now. Guys, my Irish and my carrot cook. Yeah, you don't know the badness. Yeah, guys, my Irish and my carrot cook, guys. And you don't know me egg cook. But watch. Now give 2 more minutes on the fire said way. You understand now the making go and boil it more, guys. And guys, this is my ground season. When I cut up for my chicken, guys. So be a badness in the kitchen. Guys, we soon come back. Just watch your badness. Like up the video, share up the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell as a video drop, guys. And have it, guys, we soon come back. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'll go on in the kitchen. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put in my season, my ground season, and my carrots. Yeah, guys, I don't know the badness. So, guys, what I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna make the potato salad. Yeah, guys, so don't know the badness. Guys. Soon come back, guys. I'm gonna pick me egg them. See me egg them? Yeah, soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna bust my sweet corn and my mixed vegetable. Guys, I may have 2 eggs. You don't know the badness. Yeah, guys, so a mixed vegetable. I'm a sweet corn, guys. You see the badness? Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Yes, guys. Guys, so I go on my egg. Yeah guys, I don't know the badness. Potato salad. Irish potato and carrot. We use make it guys. Be a badness. Watch the video and watch what I go on guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look when you're in the plate guys. Yeah guys, so the chicken can come out now guys. Don't know the badness. Guys, I'm gonna have chicken now. I'm gonna sew I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look. I'm a stewed chicken, I'm a potato salad guys. And guys, remember, my potato salad, we make it with carrot. You understand how these guys watch the video and you see what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness guys. Yeah guys, I'm out guys. See you in our next video.